Ẹ tún wá gbọ́ o ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Saheed Òṣùpá gbajúgbajà olórin Ati Iyawo ẹ̀. Ó yá ẹ tún káàbọ̀ padà sórí ìkànnì yìí Gist Entertainment. Bí àwọn bá mí àmì kan gbá, bí ìrẹ́ bá mí àmì kan pẹ́ díẹ̀. Àṣé lóòótọ́ lọ̀rọ̀ wọn àgbà tó ní ẹni tíjà òde bá ní ń pera rẹ̀ lọ́kùnrin. Ọ̀rọ̀ ṣùnùkùn rèé o, ojú ṣùnùkùn làá sì fi wò ó. Ẹ wá gbọ́ ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Fuji music legend wa ìyẹn King Dr. Saheed Òṣùpá Olúfimọ àti ìyàwó ẹ̀. Ẹ dúró ná, kí ló dé tó fi jẹ́ wípé àtùpà kì í rìndì ara rẹ̀ ná? Tòun ti bó ti jẹ́ wípé King Dr. Saheed Òṣùpá ti fi orin tò ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìdílé. Saheed Òṣùpá ti tún ọ̀pọ̀ ilé lọ́kọláya tó fẹ́ dàrú ṣe. Olúfimọ ọba orin, ó ti fi orin ìjìnlẹ̀ orin Yorùbá, ó ti fi so mélèé gbàgbé okùn ìfẹ́ lọ́kọláya tó fẹ́ já papọ̀ lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí àti jákèjádò àgbáyé pátápátá. Ẹ wá gbọ́, Saheed Òṣùpá ti fi ìbínú kọ ìyàwó ẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Kí ló dé ná tọ́rọ̀ fi rí bẹ́ẹ̀? Ẹ wò ó, inú bíbí wọn ò fiṣẹ́ mìíràn o, ẹ̀dọ̀ fùfù wọn ò bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Adé afúnrẹ́ adẹ́tù abìwà pẹ̀lẹ́. Ẹ wò ó, nínú fọ́nrán yìí ẹ gbọ́ wìrìwìrì lẹ́nu ọba àti ìyàwó ẹ̀, ohun tó ṣokùnfà ọ̀bẹ tó rẹ́ okùnfẹ́ tó wà láàrin àwọn méjèèjì tó fi já pàtì lójijì nífọ̀nà fọ̀ṣù. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ńlẹ́ gbọ́ o, àmọ́ tó bá jẹ́ gbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé tẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ mi lórí ìkànnì yìí Gist Entertainment ni ẹ máa bá ń kílìkì lórí subscribe button yẹn, ẹ bá ń like kẹ́ ẹ wá bá ń pín fídíò yìí, ẹ bá ń pín, ẹ dákun ẹ bá ń pín kó délé kó dóko kó lọ fáfáfá dáadáa. Ó yá, nínú ìfọ̀rọ̀wánilẹ́nuwò kan tí àwọn city people tí wọ́n ṣe fún ìyàwó gbajúgbajà òǹkọrin Fuji King Dr. Saheed Òṣùpá, ìyẹn arábìnrin Bísí Bísímìláì, ni arábìnrin náà ti sọ̀rọ̀ nílẹ̀ kún ohun tó fa ìpínyà láàrin òun àti Saheed Òṣùpá tó jẹ́ olólùfẹ́. Ó ní ìgbéyàwó àwọn Ọlọ́run ti fáwọn lọ́mọ làǹtìlanti méjì ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Ó ní ṣùgbọ́n àṣẹ̀yìnwá àṣẹ̀yìnbọ̀ okùnfẹ́ àwọn ó já o. Ẹ wò ó, ń dín sí yín létí gan-an ni, ń kà á sí yín létí bí wọ́n ti kọ́ lédè òyìnbó kí n tó wá tú fún yín lédè Yorùbá tiwantiwa. Ó yá, ẹ tẹ́tí bẹ̀lẹ̀ jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ fi ti gbéyàwó ọ̀rọ̀. How Saheed Osupa and I parted ways after 2 kids, his ex-wife Hajia Bismillah explained. Hajia Bisi Bismillah is not new on Lagos social scene. This is not just because she was once married to popular Fuji star Saheed Osupa, but because she is a daughter of a popular Oyo billionaire, Alhaji Bismillah. Her father is one of the Oyo prominent businessmen who play big in oil and gas construction. A few days ago, this popular gold jeweler opened an 18-karat gold shop, an exclusive Senegalese shop on Okpebi Street, Ikeja, in Lagos. The event paraded many Lagos big society women of note. City People Assistant Society editor Abiola Orishile had an exclusive interview with her, where she spoke about how her marriage to Saheed Osupa crashed and how she did everything within her power to make it work, among many other related issues. Let us go a little personal. Your husband, King Saheed Osupa, a few weeks ago said that he was not married, adding that he does not know any Bismillahs as wife. How do you feel about these utterances? It's quite funny to hear him talk that way. If Saheed said he doesn't have a wife, that means he doesn't have a wife. He may be saying the truth. We have been separated for over 5 years now. Everybody has his or her own challenges. Our marriage is blessed with 2 wonderful, brilliant kids. If he said that he doesn't have a wife, I don't feel bad about that. He's a musician. After all, don't forget that he may say, I'm the love of his life tomorrow. I'm not affected by it, knowing that I have not offended him or done anything wrong. Another question to Osupa ex-wife: how did he move out? You had a fight? And she answered, no, we didn't have any fight. We enjoyed a very good relationship. He told me he was getting an office at Magodo and he went to have it. He then stopped coming, giving different excuses, and I tried my best to know why he stopped coming home, but to no avail until he had the interview and said he didn't have a wife, so I don't have husband too. Another question. You are humble and sweet. Why don't you look for a way to pacify him? And she answered as well, I have tried all I could. As a dutiful woman, as I am speaking with you, I'm still living in his house. Despite that, I have completed my own house at Papa Ajao and I have put everything in place since last year, but I'm still living in his house. My kids are still with me. I have searched my conscience and believe that I have done nothing wrong. I have not offended him. He always has series of excuses. Another question. You are so English. Where did you grow up? She answered, my father sent us to good schools. I went to Oreofe Nursery and Primary School, Ibadan, and later to FGSS, Oyo. I was better with my father providing all we needed. I later went to Polytechnic Ibadan, where I read marketing and communication for my ND and HND. After that, I went to London to live. They asked her another question, what has life taught you? And she answered, life has taught me to lie low when rich. Even Saheed does that too. He taught me to be prudent. People who make noises are not rich. How do you rest? I'm a very homely person. When I'm not attending parties, I love being with my kids because they are my future. Ẹ rí pélé ayé yìí kò balance rárá. Ẹnìkan bi mí wípé so King Dr. Saheed Osupa ò níyàwó ńlé. Mo ní rárá o. Alhaji Òṣùpá níyàwó ńlé, ó kàn jẹ́ wípé ọ̀kan nínú àwọn ìyàwó tí wọ́n fẹ́ ni Hajiya Bísí Bismillah jẹ́ ni. Kì í ṣe wípé ọba orin ò níyàwó ńlé o. Ìyàwó kan ṣoṣo kọ́ lọ́ba orin ní nínú ilé. Àmọ́ alájà tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, Hajiya Bismillah ọ̀kan ni wọ́n jẹ́ nínú àwọn ìyàwó King Dr. Saheed Òṣùpá. Òun mo fi pé ẹni ìjà ò bá ní ń pèrè ẹ̀ lọ́kùnrin. Torí pé tá a bá fojú ṣùnùkùn wò ó, kì í ṣerú ọ̀dọ̀ Alhaji Saheed Òṣùpá ló yẹ ká ti máa rírú nǹkan báyìí. Torí pé àwọn gan-an pàápàá wọ́n ti tún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìdílé ṣe. Ìdílé tó fẹ́ dàrú àbẹ́yìí tó fẹ́ dàwó, wọ́n ti fi orin, wọ́n ti fi tún tò, wọ́n ti fi tún ṣe. Ṣùgbọ́n àṣẹ̀yìnwá àṣẹ̀yìnbọ̀ àtúnwá ń rírú ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ tiwọn gangan. Ẹ rí wípé nǹkan kì í ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ràgó o, lágbára púpọ̀ ni. Àmọ́ Yorùbá kan náà ló ní agbájá ẹni ẹnìkan dá wọn lágbá òṣìkà ni. Àti ìgbọ́ látọ̀dọ̀ King Dr. Saheed Òṣùpá, ẹ wò ó, ẹ má jẹ́ kí n dá yín lágara. Tá a bá ti ń rí update látọ̀dọ̀ King Dr. Saheed Òṣùpá ní yàjóyàjó ní màá mú wá fún yín tí ń sì máa dín sí yín létí lóní rẹ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ fín. Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá jẹ́gbà àkọ́kọ́ lélẹ́yìí tẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ ìkànnì Gist Entertainment TV, ẹ má gbàgbé o láti máa bá ń kílìkì lórí subscribe button, ẹ bá ń like, ẹ bá ń share, kẹ ẹ bá ń pín kó délé kó dóko dáadáa. Fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi, ẹ̀yin new subscribers àti ẹ̀yin returning subscribers, ẹ̀ ní tí, ẹ̀ ní tẹ́, ẹ̀ sì ní tẹ̀ kọ́rọ́gọ́dọ́ bíi kọ̀ǹgọ́ọ̀lù lágbà lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba mi. Ẹ ṣé o.